I think I can start the session. Good morning to one and all present here. Now we are going to see the HR training. Behalf of the HR training, we are going to see the CATIA software training. Can you hear my voice?
Yes, ma'am, audible.
So I welcome you all for a staff development program on behalf of our HR department. So myself, Zinat Fatima from Mechanical Section, Engineering Department. So our plan of presentation for this training goes as follows. First, we'll see about the CATIA software. It is the 3D modeling package. Everybody knows about the title of the software. And what is CATIA GUI, which is graphical user interface, GUI, the expansion, and how all the tools in that graphical user interface will work, that we will see. And about the 2D sketching toolboxes. So what are the 2D sketching toolboxes are available with CATIA software, and some 2D sketching practices. We'll see some exercises. And 3D sketching toolboxes. What are the different 3D sketching toolboxes are available, and some practice 3D sketches, and even 3D printing. As we all know, we are in fourth revolution era. So whatever the drawing we are making in software, that can be transferred to STL file for direct 3D printing, so that directly we can able to take the product if we have the 3D printing with us, 3D printer with us. So like that, we will be seeing in that 3D printing. So before we start, we need to understand what is CATIA. CATIA is a computer-aided 3D interactive parametric application. So we all know 3D means three-dimensional. We will be able to create all three-dimensional object. In that, the meaning of parametric application, the basic meaning of parametric application is whatever the drawing, whatever the assembly, any part model, any product model you have created. The product or the model, still you made some changes, you want to make some changes in that. Even the basic sketch can be updated, or it can be modified, so that whatever the modifications you are doing in the basic sketch, it can be modified till the end of the product. So that application is called, that name we will call it as a parametric application. So CATIA is one of the parametric application software, and it is a leading three-dimensional designing software used by various organizations across globe, which is one of the best software which is available in the market. And most of the industries use CATIA from automobile to aerospace, and even for all consumer products. And it is one of the user-friendly software which is easily able to understand all the commands, all the sketches. It's very easy to understand, to proceed with all the commands. And as I said, graphical user interface, CATIA graphical user interface has got menu bar, specification tree, 3D compass, and planes, model field, geometrical axis, standard toolbars, and status bar. So meanwhile, I'll just open the CATIA software so that we can check all these things, whether it is available, everything. So this is the CATIA software. If you do double click, two windows will open. So this is the window we are going to work. Okay, this is the window we are going to work. And this window we have to minimize. We should not do anything with that. This window we are going to work in that. So here, this will be the history, whatever we are going to do. Otherwise, we can call this as the specification tree. This is the 3D compass. It means whatever the view we are going to see, everything will be updated over here. We can see from here also. And these are some general toolboxes. And this is the status bar. This is the axis, XYZ coordinate axis. This is the model field we are going to work. So these are some toolboxes. So this is only the front page of the CATIA. Now we have to open whatever we are going to do, whether we are going to create the part model, or we are going to do the assembly model, or we are going to take some NC manufacturing techniques. So everything will be available. So first I'm going to start from here. So here first I have to go start, then mechanical design, then I have to go here part design. So here only we are going to work. After I click here, I'm able to get all the toolboxes. This one I already took it out to show you clearly. This is like a 3D toolbox. This is like a 3D toolbox. First we need to do 2D sketch. After we transform 2D sketch into 3D, then these page will be appearing. In that you'll be seeing all these toolboxes. So when we go for the 3D model, you'll be getting the clear idea about all these things. So as I said, the menu bar, specification tree and 3D compass, we have seen all these things, and planes, model field, geometric axis, and the standard toolbar. We know about the standard toolbar, like this, we will call it as a standard toolbar. So here, this one, if you go the new file, we can, and you can open and you can save and you can copy. This is for printing and you can copy it. This is undo command. So all these here available. So once you open the window, the standard toolbar will be appearing. And this is the view toolbar. This is also one of the important toolbar to view, to move, to pan, to zoom, everything. So this is, as I said, this is the 3D platform. So now I want to go for whatever we explained here, whatever I explained, this is only graphical user interface. Now we'll be going for 2D sketching toolboxes. These toolboxes will be available when we transform from 3D platform to 2D. So in the beginning, when you open CATIA part design, so only the 3D platform will open. Then we have to choose the plane. You have to sketch to the sketcher mode. Click the sketcher mode so that you'll be getting all the 2D sketching toolbox. So what are the 2D sketching toolbox? We are having profile and we are having constraint, operation, sketch tools, visualization, view, and sketch analysis. This view tool already we have seen. This is our view tool. This is our view tool. Okay. So now before I go into that, so these are some 2D sketching practices, some practice sketch I have got it. Before that, I will just explain the 2D sketching platform. So as I said, as soon as we open CATIA, we are just opening the part model. After we click to the part model, we are receiving this model platform. This is the 3D platform. After that, what you need to do, you can open the specification tree. Here you'll be seeing all the different planes, XY plane, YZ plane, ZX plane. Whatever the plan you want to create the sketch, first you have to click into the plane, then you have to go to the sketcher mode. Then you'll be getting 2D sketching platform. So what I'm doing, either I can go from here, I can choose, or directly I can choose. I'm just choosing here YZ plane. So it means what? I'm going to create my sketch on YZ plane. I have already clicked into that. So it has been highlighted in orange color. So now I'm just clicking this sketching toolbar or sketcher plane. So after I click the plane, this is the very first step you have to perform in CATIA. Then you need to go for the sketcher mode by clicking this icon. Now you could see the 2D sketching platform. Here, whatever the toolbox I have said in the presentation, it is already here. I have already taken it. So this is the constraint toolbar and this is the profile toolbar. This is operation, this is sketch tools, and these are user selection filters. Okay, these are the important 2D sketching toolbars, what we are going to use it. And as usual, the standard toolbar will be there default and the view or toolbar also will be there. Some extra, some advanced features of toolbar also available. So this and all will be using according to our requirement. When you are doing any complicated model, any advanced structures, by the time you will be using all these kind of toolbars. So I just wanted to explain all the different types of tools. Well, first we'll start with the profile tool. So each and every icon, if we go near, it will tell what is the name of the toolbar. So this is the profile toolbar. Rather, we can choose line toolbar or profile toolbar. Both are same. It means what? Line means each and every line you have to pick up this line. Then only you can construct the line over here. If it is the profile toolbar, once you click into that, you can make the continuous line. It also depends on your sketch, depends on your model, how you are going to create everything. So first, I'm just going with this profile. How we have to start? First, I'm just clicking into that. After I click, you can see it has been highlighted with orange color. This is our coordinate axis, which is showing this is X and Y. It means we have selected Y and Z. It means it is showing accordingly. Here you can see this is the Y direction, this is the Z direction. Whatever the coordinate axis we have seen, we have selected according to that, we can see from here. So I'm just going to start from 0, any line, anything, whatever I want, I can make slanting line, everything I can make it. So this by using the profile toolbar. After I end this, after I finished this end point, this orange color, it has been disappeared. It means we came out of the command. Likewise, if you go here, this is the rectangular toolbar. If you click here with the small triangle icon, you can see what are the different types of rectangle you can make or any other polygon. What are the different things you can make. All the shapes are displayed over here. According to our model, according to our sketch or the drawing, we can select with our convenience. So this is one command which is a rectangle, and this is the oriented rectangle. According to our requirement, we can able to choose all these types of the commands. This is parallelogram, and this is elongated hole, and this is the cylindrical elongated hole, and this is keyhole. If you want to make any keyhole profile, you can go for this. And this is the hexagon, and this is like a centered rectangle. Most of the time we'll be preferring this only to create any rectangular object. And this is the centered parallelogram. So if I click this centered rectangle, I'm able to choose. First I have to check whether it has been clicked, and it should be highlighted as orange in color. Then I have to click it over here. I need to choose the center point, and I can elongate the sketch. Like this I can do it. Then I